Snapchat processes over 5 billion snaps daily. Imagine the sheer volume of data and interactions involved. This scale presents unique challenges in data management and user experience. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Operating at such a massive scale requires innovative solutions. We'll explore how Snapchat manages this complexity and ensures seamless user interactions. Snapchat chose AWS for its infrastructure due to its scalability and reliability. AWS provides the backbone needed to handle Snapchat's vast data requirements. Cloud services like AWS enable Snapchat to scale efficiently. This ensures that users experience minimal downtime and maximum performance. Snapchat's architecture is designed for efficiency. It uses microservices to streamline operations and enhance performance. These components work together to support Snapchat's massive user base. The architecture ensures that snaps are delivered quickly and reliably. Managing vast amounts of data is crucial for Snapchat. They employ strategies for efficient data retrieval and storage. Data redundancy and security are paramount. Snapchat ensures that user data is protected and easily accessible when needed. Real-time snap delivery is a key feature of Snapchat. Technologies are in place to ensure fast and reliable communication. Reducing latency is crucial for user experience. Snapchat continuously works to minimize delays and enhance interaction speed. Snapchat scales its infrastructure to meet growing demands. Automation plays a significant role in managing this growth. Strategies are in place to handle increasing user numbers. This ensures Snapchat remains responsive and efficient. User data security is a top priority for Snapchat. They implement robust measures to protect information. Compliance with global regulations is essential. Snapchat ensures that privacy standards are met and maintained. Snapchat is constantly innovating its infrastructure. Upcoming technologies promise to enhance operations further. Handling future challenges is a focus for Snapchat. Emerging technologies will play a crucial role in this evolution. By staying ahead of technological trends, Snapchat aims to improve user experience and operational efficiency. In summary, Snapchat's architecture is a marvel of modern technology. It supports billions of interactions seamlessly. By understanding Snapchat's infrastructure, you gain insights into managing large-scale digital platforms effectively. Join us in exploring more about digital innovations. Stay curious and keep learning about the technologies shaping our world.